I'm Emil.
Hi Emil.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, what we are going to do, Emil?
We're gonna know.
Glowworm experiment?
Yes.
Okay, what we need for this experiment, Emil?
We need jar, pipette.
Yeah, and you know what those two are?
No.
One is calcium chloride, the one on your right side. The bigger one is calcium chloride, and the smaller tube is glow alginate. Okay, I will teach you how to do this experiment. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now open the jar. Okay, put all of those things down. Yeah, put it down the other side. Yeah. Okay, now place the jar on the center. Now open the calcium chloride and pour it in the jar. Wait, I'll help you. Yeah.
And put it inside the jar.
Yes. When I say stop, you can stop it. Okay? Just be careful while you're doing.
This is acid.
It's not acid, it's calcium chloride. Okay, enough. Stop. Just close it safely. Okay. Now take the glow alginate and put it on the calcium chloride. Yeah. Safe. Yeah. Enough. Use the pipette to cut it. Yes. Good. Okay. Now close it. So now let's turn off the lights and see whether the worm is glowing or not. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Hold on a minute. I'll go and turn off the lights. Okay?
Okay.
Can you see it's glowing?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is glowworm experiment. Hope you enjoyed the experiment, Emil.
Yeah.
Thanks for the experiment.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.